how to restore your missing setting icon on your iPhone. You see, my setting icon is missing. For that, you have to swipe down your screen and type setting. Then you see this kind of interface. Just press on it, and this is my setting. And that way you can access your setting icon. If you already set up your CD, then press on CD. To add your setting icon on your screen, you have to go your setting and scroll down and go to general option and scroll down again, and you see transfer or reset iPhone. Press on it and you have to select reset. Press on it and choose reset home screen layout. Press on it and reset home screen. And now swipe down, and this is my home setting icon. It's back. This is how you can easily back your setting icon on your iPhone. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you.